Stop right now. Look at your life. Are you really living? Or are you just sleeping through your days? Most people dream about amazing things. They want to travel the world. They want their dream job. They want money and freedom. But here is the big question. What are you doing today to get these things? Are you still watching videos all day? Are you still scrolling on your phone? Listen to me carefully. This is your only life. You do not get a second chance. This is it. Right now. You are not wasting time. Time is killing you. Every time you say, I will do it tomorrow, you lose a piece of your life. Every hour you spend on social media is gone forever. Your time is your life. Your dreams wait. But for how long? Think about yesterday. What did you do? Think about last week. What did you achieve? Your dreams do not care about your excuses. Only results matter. Write down your daily plan. Focus on one important thing each day. Cut 1 hour of social media. Use that hour to learn something new. Your life is your responsibility. Only you. Many people waste years crying about what they do not have. I do not have money. I do not have time. These are all excuses. Do you know who wins in life? The person who says, I will create something from nothing. Look at successful people. Many started with nothing. But they had hunger. They had fire. Accept your story, but do not be a victim. Say this every day, I am responsible for my life. Write your problems on paper. Then write solutions. Take action. You are not weak. You are just not using your power. Your comfort zone is killing your dreams. You wake up, check your phone, watch videos, sleep. You repeat this every day. It feels safe. But you are dying slowly from the inside. There is no growth in comfort. All success lives outside of your comfort zone. You want to speak good English? Then speak, even if you make mistakes. You want to start a business? Then start, even if you fail. Do something uncomfortable every day. Speak English even if you are scared. Apply for that job. Post that video. Fail proudly. But fail forward. I will do it later, is the biggest lie you tell yourself. Later means never. People who win in life say, now. Right now. This second. They act even if they are scared. You say you want to learn English. Do it now. You say you want to exercise. Start now. Time does not wait for you. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Start whatever you want to do. Stop thinking too much. One action now is better than 100 perfect plans for later. Your mind can be your prison. You think too much and do nothing. You want to start a business. You think about it for months. But you never actually start. Too much thinking is destroying your life. You think so much that you become tired before starting. Think for 10 minutes. Then act for the next 10 hours. Success comes from doing, not thinking. Your biggest enemy is you. The part of you that tells you to quit. The part that says, I am tired. The part that says, it is okay to be average. You must fight this version every single day. Every day you wake up with a choice. Who will win today? The person who scrolls for 3 hours. Or the person who reads 10 pages of a book. Think about two wolves inside you. One is lazy and full of doubt. The other is strong and hungry. Which one grows stronger? The one you feed more. This is not a game. This is war. And it is you versus you. If you keep comparing yourself to others, you will never be happy. You spend more time watching other people's lives than building your own. You see someone with a better car on social media. And you start hating yourself. But you are comparing your behind the scenes with their highlight reel. You see 15 seconds of their life. You do not see their problems or failures. Stop looking left and right. Look straight. Your race is with yourself. Focus on your journey. You were born to be better than who you were yesterday. You do not get greatness without risk. Every person you admire took risks. You are scared to speak English because people might laugh. So you never speak. But what if one moment of courage could change your life? Take one risk today. Ask yourself, what is the worst that could happen? Then ask, what if it actually works? Without risk, there is no growth. Be the one who dared. Time is not waiting for you. Life is running. Every second you lose is gone forever. You will not realize how much time you have lost until it is too late. You are not too young. You are not too old. You are just making excuses. Do you know what is scarier than failure? Regret. The clock is ticking. Your time is now. People always say, I will start next week. But what is going to change between now and then? Nothing. If you cannot start now, you probably will not start ever. There is no perfect time. Life is always messy. Every second you wait, your dreams fade. You want to change your life? Start now. Not next Monday. Now. So tell me, why not now? Maybe you are struggling right now. Maybe everything feels heavy. Maybe you feel like you have failed. Let me say this to you. Everything will be okay. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. You are not finished yet. There is more to your story. Your worst days are not the end. They are the beginning of a stronger version of you. Find a dream that makes you feel alive. Chase it. Build it. Learn every day. Work hard even when nobody claps for you. You have no idea what you are capable of. You think you are weak. You are not. You are powerful beyond your imagination. You are a storm waiting to rise. So pick up your heart. Fix your posture. And start walking again. Because your future is waiting. Your greatness is waiting. Take action today. Not tomorrow. Today. Stay strong.